Ever wonder why a single tweet can spark a global conversation? Or how a viral video reaches millions in days? It all comes down to how networks amplify messages, turning whispers into roars. Today, we'll explore this fascinating phenomenon. We'll look at how connections, algorithms, and social influence work together to boost content's reach, and why some messages spread like wildfire while others fade away. First, consider the power of connections. Each person you're connected to is a potential amplifier. When you share something, it reaches their networks, exponentially expanding its visibility. Think of a chain reaction: one person shares, then their friends, then their friends, and so on. Next, algorithms play a huge role. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok use algorithms to prioritize content based on engagement. The more likes, comments, and shares a post receives, the more it's shown to others, creating a feedback loop. Interestingly, research shows that emotional content spreads faster than factual information. Studies at MIT found that anger travels further online than happiness. This is because emotions trigger stronger reactions and encourage sharing. So, networks amplify messages through connections, algorithmic boosts, and emotional resonance. Understanding these dynamics is key to navigating the digital landscape. If you found this video insightful, give it a like and let us know in the comments what other topics you'd like us to cover. Don't forget to subscribe for more.